Coming up, I will discuss how to maximize your life this year. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. I believe the greatest gift that you can give the world is a healthy you, said Joyce Meyer, an American author. A blank page, a fresh start, a new year. It can be exciting to start over again. You may have that inner push to do more this year. You may be determined to live a better life. To use that motivation, you should build the proper habits and get rid of the bad ones. Today, be thankful and think how rich you are. Your family is priceless. Your time is gold, and your health is wealth, said Zig Ziglar, an American author. Here are 10 habits that could help you live a healthy, wealthy, and wise life. Number 1, stand more. If you have an Apple Watch, it recommends you stand for 12 hours every day. Standing is vital to your health. Research has found that people who sit for too long every day have a greater chance of diabetes, heart disease, and dying earlier in life. To help you stand more throughout the day, use a standing desk. A standing desk is not a trend. It helps us overcome our sedentary lifestyle. A standing desk helps you reduce the time you spend on your chair. It has many benefits, including improving your mood, increasing your energy level, and burning more calories. So what's the key takeaway? Standing more is an essential lifestyle change that can improve your physical and psychological health. Number 2, get enough sleep. Without enough sleep, we all become tall 2-year-olds, said JoJo Jensen, an actress. You may not realize you're not getting enough sleep, but your body gives you warning signs. Don't wear the badge of pride that you're not getting enough sleep. Sleep is critical to your health and daily performance. Sleep is not overrated. Don't believe others when they say they don't need much sleep because they are social, busy, and heroic. A lack of sleep is a bad thing, not a good thing. Don't think you can wake up early and go to bed late. It will catch up with you. Sleep makes us more productive and enables us to feel energized and alert. According to the National Sleep Foundation, most healthy adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Sleep requirements vary slightly from person to person. Sleep helps you control your weight, improves your long-term and short-term memory, and helps prevent cardiovascular diseases. So what's the key takeaway? Getting enough sleep every day enables our bodies to repair, reduces our stress, and boosts our immune system. Number 3, rest more. Good health is true wealth, said Uriah Faber, an American Miss Martial artist. You can get 8 hours of sleep and you can still feel tired. Sleep is about your body while rest is about your mind. You restore your mind, emotions, and social well-being when you rest. Sleep and rest are different. Rest is about taking care of your mind. It can enhance your productivity because you have a better sense of who you are and help you overcome exhaustion. So what's the key takeaway? Rest is different than sleep. It would be best for your health if you get enough sleep and rest in your life. Number 4, exercise more. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live, said Jim Rohn, an American entrepreneur. Most adults don't exercise 30 minutes a day. According to the United States Department of Health and Human Services, adults should get at least 150 minutes a week of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes a week of vigorous aerobic activity. Regular exercise boosts your mood, happiness, and positive outlook on life. Exercise makes you happier than money does. Research has found that regular exercise is more vital to your mental health than how much money you have. Exercise helps you sleep better, overcome depression, and reduces stress. Make exercise a priority and a daily habit. So what's the key takeaway? The happiest people in life are the ones who constantly work out, not make the most money. Number 5, focus on a healthy diet. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, said Benjamin Franklin, founding father of the United States. You are what you eat. When you improve your diet, you increase your lifespan and have immediate health benefits. Focus on what you eat and listen to your body. Use food as an opportunity to be grateful for your life. Choose whole foods over highly processed foods. Whole foods contain fewer calories and are more filling than processed foods. Be mindful of what you put into your body. Healthy eating is fundamental to good health. You can have a healthy diet by avoiding soft drinks, eating more fruits and vegetables, and eating eggs, fish, and nuts. Lower the amount of sugar in your diet. Either eat less or exercise more, or both. So what's the key takeaway? You'll have a better memory, be in a better mood, and lose weight when you focus on a healthy diet. Number 6, make better choices. Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that can change your life forever, said Carrie Russell, an American actress. Our decisions impact all areas of our lives. The choices you make every day build up over time, and they determine who you become and what type of life you live today. Life is full of choices, and there are many uncomfortable truths about life that we must accept. Some options in life are easy, while some are hard. Our choices make the difference between success and failure. The key is to make better choices every day. Life gives us many forks in the road. When you make better choices, your future self will thank you. Our lives are made up of temporary moments with many options. Stand firm on your decisions and know that it was the right choice at the time. So what's the key takeaway? To make better choices, focus on now, simplify, and think about long-term benefits. Number 7, strengthen your relationships. You probably have relationships with family, friends, and colleagues, but how deep are they? Most likely you are just on the tip of the iceberg. Ask them specific questions to deepen your relationships. Relationships in your personal and professional life are vital to your success. Be curious about them. You may have known someone for years, but you didn't know some things about their life because they haven't had the opportunity to share them with you. Research says when you have solid relationships at work, you are more engaged, produce higher quality work, and are more physically and emotionally healthy. Your relationships matter, especially at work, since 1/3 of your life is spent at work. So what's the key takeaway? When you work hard to build more meaningful relationships, you'll become happier. Number 8, invest more time with family. The key is not spending time, but investing in it, said Stephen R. Covey, an American educator, author, businessman, and keynote speaker. Invest time with people who really matter to you. If you only had one day to live, who would you love? It's probably your family. Be picky about who you spend time with and treasure the important people in your life. Your time should match your personal values. Self-reflect and ask yourself, what really matters? What do I really care about? And what's my purpose? That self-reflection will most likely help you realize that you should spend more time with family. Have one meal together a week. Go for a walk together. Plan a fun activity together. Turn off technology. Play a board game and get to know them better. Maybe one of your family members was a beekeeper earlier in life and you didn't know. You'll be surprised what you don't know about your family when you make a real effort to get to know them and listen to stories you never heard before. So what's the key takeaway? Success breeds success. So be picky about who you spend time with during your life. Number 9, have a growth mindset. A growth mindset focuses on the process and what it takes to succeed. If you don't have the right mindset, you can't become a better you. The mind is a powerful muscle that frames your experiences in life. A growth mindset helps you prioritize learning over failure, excellence over perfection, and risk over the status quo. You view failures as opportunities and you change your outlook on life. Research shows your mindset impacts your lifespan. A growth mindset can overcome difficult and painful things. Having the proper perspective on life will determine how you live your life. When you approach every situation as a learning experience and growth opportunity, you can live a full life. So what's the key takeaway? You change your life when you change your mind. A growth mindset will help you see the positives in everything. Number 10, laugh more. Always laugh when you can. It is cheap medicine, said Lord Byron, a British romantic poet. Many of us are stressed to the max. Laughter is one of the best ways to reduce our stress. It's a powerful tool to improve your physical and psychological health. Research has found that laughter is an excellent way to relieve tension in your life. Laughter is what the doctor ordered for you. Laughter helps different areas of your brain and has many benefits that support your health. Find ways to laugh every day, such as hanging out with family, friends, and colleagues who make you laugh, or watch your favorite stand-up comedian. What's the key takeaway? Laughter is free medicine. It can help you take away stress and anxiety. That's no joke. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise, said Benjamin Franklin. This year, there are 10 habits to help you be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Stand, rest, and exercise more. Get enough sleep, focus on a healthy diet, and make better choices. Strengthen your relationships, invest more time with family, have a growth mindset, and laugh more. You'll be healthier, wealthier, and wise when you embrace these habits. Approach this year as an opportunity to grow by adopting good habits that will set yourself up for a wonderful, beautiful, and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. Until next time.